clear to drop the load. Watch the dust.
The molten copper, fresh from the furnace pour, flows at an astonishing temperature. Soon it will be cooled and sent to the grinding mills you see behind me.
Welcome to the world of civilization.
The cooled copper slabs are loaded into these electrolysis tanks as anodes. The electric current refines the metal, resulting Behind me is the giant payoff reel feeding the stranding machine. This glowing wire represents the backbone of global copper distribution.
"36, 38, 37, 39.
These massive copper bus bars, forged in the very furnaces we saw earlier, carry the incredible electrical load powering this entire facility.
Welcome to the Manufacturing Nexus Station. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
This advanced spectrometer ensures the highest quality, and as you can see here on the monitor, the result is an astonishing 99.9% pure copper.
Here at the recycling facility, massive front-end loaders dump tons of scrap copper into the furnace to be refined.
We need more bins for the copper pile. Yeah, this batch is heavy.
To achieve that perfect mirror finish, the pipes are rapidly rotated against felt wheels coated in a fine abrasive.
From raw rock to this brilliant flow, the journey of copper concludes here, ready to power the vault of civilizations.
Contact confirmed, 25K volts. Temp stable at 85. Power draw optimal. Accelerating to full speed. Incoming at 25, reduced gap. Sheet guided, unplayable.
HEV2 approaching Rack 7, Section B. Coil lift initiated. Positioning for stack. Stack complete. Inventory updated.
From raw rock to these glowing wires racing behind me, we forged the pure copper that powers our modern world.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors concept, then rewritten using AI to ensure originality. Visuals and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other contents. This video is informative only and doesn't present AI visuals as real footage.